everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a mala or a flower garland. I am using a really long needle. I got this in a store called Michael's in Florida. You can probably purchase them online. I got this thread in an upholstery store, so it is very strong. You want to use very strong thread for this, or your mala could burst after you assemble all your flowers, which is not fun. I am also using 3 bunches of chrysanthemums. I love chrysanthemums. I think they are so cute. I love how fluffy the petals are. So you want to just gently pluck all those damaged petals off. And I chose this platter to place my flowers on after I cut them off their stems, so that I can actually separate the sizes, so it would just help when I start assembling my flowers. So just continue cutting them very close to the stem and separating all your flowers. And yes, I keep the little ones. I think that they make malas look so interesting when they have a variety of sizes. So I try my best to be creative and use all my flowers. I also got a bunch of baby's breath, so I am just cutting all into shorter little pieces so that it would be very easy to work with. So after you have gathered all your flowers and section them out, if you are using leaves, I love leaves in a flower garland. I think they look so beautiful. I got my leaves from that tree that I just showed you guys. I have no idea what is the name of that tree. It is in my backyard, but I love that tree. I call it the silver tree because all the leaves are actually pretty and they are silver in color, so it will work really well for this rustic type mala that I am about to create. So here I've started arranging all my flowers, and you do not have to use a long needle like I am using, but it really does help when arranging your flowers and fillers in a particular design. The needle actually holds everything sturdy so that you can build on it and maneuver your fillers around and get the perfect design. And once that is achieved, then you can slide the entire design down to connect all the pieces together. You will notice that I'm actually working with 2 pieces of the exact same design. What I do is, the first thing I do is try to achieve the length of the mala that I'm trying to get, and then I would cut it in half and try basically creating the same exact design on 2 pieces. So at the end of this video, you will see I am actually going to attach everything. Here I'm actually using the leaves, and I'm trying to create a star sort of pattern with the leaves. So what I'm trying to achieve is all the pointy ends of the leaves should be in a circle. So instead of just taking all the leaves and just bunching it up all together, I'm trying to still create a pattern. So be creative and play around your design and try to come up with a really nice pattern. So I am continuing with different patterns. I've used, as you can see here, I've used my flowers, and then I'm using my baby's breath, then a couple leaves, baby's breath again, flowers again. So I'm just trying to create a really nice design so everything looks uniformed and really pretty. So right here you can see where one end is actually open, so I tied it together. So this is the first part and of an almost completed mala. That is the part that would go around the neck of the person that you are going to garland, or maybe a murti. Now I am securing both ends at the bottom of the mala, and I am actually going to start creating a really unique design that would fall at the bottom of the mala. I've started putting some leaves where I joined both ends so that I could actually hide that joining. So the first set of fillers that I am using is leaves and a little bit of baby's breath, and then of course I will incorporate my beautiful white chrysanthemums flowers so that the entire design will complement each other. This little piece that I'm doing at the bottom of the mala, it will just be a single row of flowers. So here I'm actually finished, and at the tip of my mala what I'm going to use is some beads. The beads would actually help to secure all the flowers from possibly bursting very easily. Remember, flowers, they're very tender, so these beads would help reinforce them. Of course, you can probably use a very cute little button, that would work as well. In the middle here I realized that there is a little gap, so I'm just filling it with some baby's breath, and this would just finish off the entire design. So my mala is finished, it is completed, and I love the way that it looks. And I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it. Give me a thumbs up